Practice make perfect. We are starting fourth episode of linear equation. Number A. 6 equals to 2 y minus 1 divide 3. So very simple, we are multiplying both sides by 3. So 6 times 3 will be 18, and here is 2y minus 2. We can write multiply by 3. Look here, once we multiply by 3, this 3 out. Now here is 18 and this minus 2 become plus 2 because we are adding both sides by 2, and here is 2y. We can write adding by 2. Okay, next here is 20 equals to 2y. Now we will divide both sides by 2, so y equals to 20 by 2, it means 10. This is our answer. Okay, so number A done. Number B we can write in here. 2x plus 1 times 3x minus 5. So first 2x plus 2 equals to 3x minus 15. Then 2x minus 3x equals to minus 15 minus 2. Then it will be minus x, and here is minus 17. Once we multiply both sides by minus 1, it will be x equals to 17. Very simple. So number A and B done. Number C. 5 times x minus 4 equals to 3 times x plus 2. So first 5x minus 20, 3x plus 6. Then 5x, this 3x become minus 3x equals to 6. This minus 20 become plus 20, right? Then 5x minus 3x, it will be 2x, and 6 plus 20 is a 26. Now we can divide both sides by 2, so x equals to 13. Very simple. Number C done. Number D. 3 plus y divide 2 equals to y plus 1 divide 4. Now it will be 4 times 3 plus y and 2 times y plus 1. Just cross multiplication. So 12 plus 4y, 2y plus 2. Then 4y minus 2y equals to 2 minus 12. Then this is 2y equals to minus 10. So we can divide both sides by 2. So y equals to minus 5. This is our answer. So number D done. Number E. 7 plus 2x divide 3 equals to 9x minus 1 divide 7. So first cross multiplication. So we can multiply like 3 times 9x minus 1, and here is 7 times 7 plus 2x. So 3 times 9 is a 27, x minus 3, and here is a 49 plus 14x. Then 27x minus 14x and 49 plus 3. It will be, here is a 3 and 13x equals to 52. Now we will divide both sides by 13, so x equals to 4. Very simple. Number E done. Number F. 2x plus 3 by 4 equals to 4x minus 2 divide 6. So first we can cross multiplication. 4 times 4x minus 2, and then 6 times 2x plus 3. Then 16x minus 8 equals to 12x plus 18. Then 16x minus 12x equals to 18 plus 8. Now 16x minus 12x, it will be 4x, and here is a 18 plus 8. 18 plus 8 is a what? 26. Now we can divide both sides by 4, so 26 by 4, so here is 13 and 2. Our answer is 13 by 2, or we can write 6 1 by 2. Very simple. So no more today. I'm trying to solve 6 math based on linear equation. I hope this kinds of math will help you. Please subscribe my channel and share with your friends and family. Thank you.